Brad, you move it. You move it. Okay. Circulate it like that. Okay, right. Okay. You move your toes. Move your toes. Okay, okay. Down.
Lapit ka, Mike.
One to
Electric
right.
fan.
Electric. Okay.
Try tayo sa mga ganyan. Ah, nakakahinayang yun.
Look at it. He never lost feeling here. Nakikilig ka siya. You move it up. Ikot mo.
Nararamdaman po.
And then you move your toes.
Oo,
From day
nakakahinayang.
2, he could feel. He never lost feeling. Any part there, oh. Saka wala
Tsaka
na siyang
nat-
exudates.
tsaka natuyo na
Ito
siya.
yun eh. Virgin coconut oil
Nagkakaroon
yan
na, virgin coconut oil yan,
Virgin
nililinisan
coconut oil
namin.
to.
Saka betadine.
And when he had Pseudomonas
Oo.
infection, Saturday evening, this was soaked with blue green
Yeah.
pus.
Oo.
Then we used that one. The next morning, dry na ito. It was not changed. We changed this Monday morning. It was looking like this exactly, no exudate. From Saturday to Monday morning, kasi kami nagpapalit eh, it looked like this. Wala na siyang blue-green. Tapos nag-clear lang siya yung, nakita mo, ang taas na. No? Before that, he was having a hard time breathing. So we just used 1 bottle of this overnight. But they stopped it.
By days, not 2 days.
We
or 2
could
days.
have 1 bottle a day of this. Tapos
Yeah.
na,
Oo, 1 bottle a day.
Because what I used to do, worse than this, I had people na bulok na ito, hindi ko na inuspira. I treat them myself. 1 week, buhay na.
Oh, may gangrene
Buhay na
kami
uli.
eh.
Kaya lang, I
Ano
have
po
to...
yun? Virgin?
This
Hindi,
one
hindi.
is
Genesis. Yung asawa niya, nilagyan ng
Meron
oil.
akong ginagamot ngayon eh. Okay na siya ngayon, 1 week eh.
Genesis.
Eh yung sinasabi niya yung hindi kaya, hindi siya magre-revasculate. Bulok na talaga, really rotten, walang makalapit. After 2 weeks,
Mabaho talaga.
naglalakad na.
Kahit malayo na amoy yun, di
This was
ba?
in 1997.
Oo.
Tapos ngayon, meron
Ano
na.
po kayo?
Uh, we are fraternity brothers. And as Edwin was saying, kami dalawa ni Edwin, we're the geniuses of the fraternity. Kami yung mga super IQ ng daming master degrees. Mga doktor ko, puro top doctors. Ang medical director ng Unilabs, my brother-in-law, the dean of the UP College na, I think, of the UP College University, my sister, the former medical director of Las Angeles, my brother-in-law, si Galengos, ang tingin ng Diyos. So cum laude pharmacy ang mother ko. Puro kami mga cum laude, top notchers. Okay, and now I'm the kind of person, I keep on studying. Okay, and I was reading the law books. At 3 years old, I was reading law books. I was reading the medical books of my sisters and nursing, geology, everything, pati sa finance and so on. You can see here.
Kausap niyo na po si Dr. Cardenas yung sa ortho po?
They don't listen. They're insisting on but you see, a lot of people, they saw the video. I showed the video of this, how he looked last night. I upload this morning, so they're rushing here. Hey, he's okay. Said they saw the leg because they saw day 1 eh.
Yes po.
And they saw this.
Ang dami nang
Now, there might be a
hihinayang.
scandal because I'm getting messages from all over
Yeah,
the world.
all over the world.
If you cut, you might be condemned. If you just allow us, because you stopped us from giving him Laminine, For Life, and Genesis, because we have miraculous healings. I have terminal patients, doctors, mismo the patients, na walang cancer lang in 3 months, 4 months. Now, if they see this, and then you cut, you might be condemned all over the world. Because they are sending me, hey, he's okay. I called up Father Edwin Mercado of Pondong Pinoy, Archdiocese Manila. Ba't siya puputulan? Sabi siya. And you know, the guy was here, binurkan niya ako. Sabi niya, boy, I was director of a hospital. I know what a dead leg is. That's not dead, that's alive. You see, it's alive. Huh? Wala lang ano, this is virgin coconut oil.
Yeah.
You remove that, you wash that, and you see, it will look like this. And if you see what the picture of day 1, yeah, I saw that 2.5 weeks ago.
Bali
That's
po sir, yung sa... Yun po kasi yung
Yeah.
pinakamalapit po yung sa...
Yeah.
wife niya po. No?
Yeah, right. You know, I was looking at the WBC. It was 33.2.
Bakit?
Alam mo, dumating dito, it was 40.
Daddy, check natin yung sugar.
It was 40 when we came here. It was worse before. Kasi yung mga kausap ko kanina, yung isa clinical, yung nurse instructor or something sa St. Jude. Sabi niya, mas malala pang ngayon dati. And you know, before, he couldn't read. Now he can read. And then he never had fever. Okay? Ang blood pressure was steady 130/80. No? From the time pumasok siya dito, 130/80. You check the because I saw the file. No? Under control ng sugar. Okay, so, you know, Edwin Fernandez used to be president of bank.
Thank you, Juan.
That's not dead, he said. Then I got scared because he saw the video this morning. Now I suddenly, and I'm getting messages, that video is now flashing all over the world. When I was living, I was getting messages from all over the world, from different hospitals. And so, now we have a video. If we got this, I think, kasi takot na takot yung wife eh. The wife is hyperventilating and emotional and crying. Mamamatay daw ang asawa, you would go like that. Every day she's like that. She would call us out, pabuto na natin. But a lot of people disagree. Who know,
Naming
like,
comments eh.
the Pseudomonas was gone overnight.
Yun po kasi po yung very powerful po yung consent po ng wife.
Yeah, but it
eh.
can be withdrawn.
Yun po.
It can be
Kailangan
withdrawn.
niyo po mag-decide po ngayon.
Yeah,
Kasi
so,
po ang plano po talaga is
But
The other.
think about it, Carmina. Because even right now while we're talking, it's spreading all over the world. And I'm getting messages
Hindi.
from all over
No, but
the world.
Doktora, what do you
Because they know
talaga
Pseudomonas
observe?
is, you know what Edwin said? They were spending for his hospital 150,000 a month to kill the Pseudomonas in their hospital.
Hindi ko po kasi siya nakita before. So hindi ko.
I can show you a
Talagang
video.
grabe.
I can show you.
Diba?
Oh, it was really terrible.
Oo.
Ang maganda po ngayon, sir, siguro kausapin niyo po mabuti yung
Why?
wife.
Yeah.
No?
Yeah. Kasi I'm having 70 dollars because
Sa amin po kasi
Kasi-
gagawin po namin
Yeah,
may
yeah.
consent
But
po.
it's because you applied pressure on us
Wait.
and you forcibly stop even with Saint Wayne you stop also. And yet one bottle beats down. And how much is that? It's only 1,875 pesos.
Yes, yes.
Right. It's only 1,875. And that is powerful too, because as I get the video, selectively I upload it sa Facebook. So they can see the progress. So there's worldwide, there's 11 million who upload it. We get to, we say that, okay, say topic. Why do you say topic?
Consent. Pilit yung consent.
Pinilit ang consent, see?
Pinilit
He was
yung
forced.
consent.
Pinagtulungan kami dito.
Oo.
And this is bad, no? Because
Kasi
we have a legal liability.
hinintuan nila
You signed
yung
a
ano
waiver,
namin eh.
and you discarded the waiver and
Yeah.
force yourself that we are killing the patient. You will have a legal case because my brand, I'm Yuki Bangad, brand ko si Fabian Bell.
Sige
They are now mobilizing.
kausap
And
ko
Edwin went out saying, it's not dead, man.
Hindi, kausapin mo muna si
And
wife.
then touch for wife.
Your wife.
And we have a
The
lot of top
wife.
lawyers.
Yeah, the
Some
wife.
of the top lawyers. in
You
this
talk to
world.
the wife.
This is scary. I'm
Yeah,
scared.
yeah.
wife po kasi po.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Edwin